Hi, I'm designer Kim Gordon, and welcome to my client's house in Venice Beach. Now, this house is located on a very famous walk street in Venice. So I wanted to find something that was unique and interesting, added a lot of light because the houses are very close together, and that was really my challenge. There's so much more to see. Let's go inside. As you walk into the home, you've got this fantastic open floor plan, which is always looking at the garden. And that was one of the big inspirations for designing these windows. They're floor to ceiling, they let in so much light, and I think they're really sexy. I like to design around the way people live, and let's face it, we're always in the kitchen. So I put the dining table here. It's big, it has a lot of texture, and the wood, again, brings in some of that outdoors. Some of the texture, some of the fun softness is over here on the chair, where we've got some sheepskin. And it's nice to have a bench instead of a chair, because you get to cuddle next to people, have the kids around, that kind of a thing. In addition to designing the entire house, I was given an opportunity to furnish it. So with an open floor plan, you have a lot of options, right? But in this house, I chose to put the living room here because this is the best place to sit. I get to see everything, and I'm framed by these fantastic windows. I've chosen a sofa that's made of leather, which is so soft and comfy and filled with pillows. The coffee table is bronze, so it's super heavy and terrific, but it brings in more of that bling again, right? Kind of just gives it a little sparkle. When you first look at this chair, you think it's a little formal and a little fussy, but if you look at the base, you'll see that it's made out of recycled wood. And then having a fuzzy, fluffy pillow really just brings the whole thing together with all these different elements. You know this is the area that you're going to with a glass of wine after dinner. The master bedroom is separated by two distinct living spaces. The color palette that I chose for the bedroom where you're sleeping is very calming and relaxing and kind of romantic. In this room, it's a little more casual. This is where we're going to be creating. It's just sort of hanging out. There's more texture in here. There's a lot of angles on the ceiling, and you're going to see some geometry on the carpet, and that's a play with each other. I love this sofa. The color just looks so wonderful up against the hand-troweled walls. And this coffee table costs only $40 at a local flea market. It brings in some of that bling and really works against this teal sofa. So it's again bringing in some of that sparkle, as well as the terrific little side tables over here that are tree trunks. And finally, the master bath. The tree outside was so important to me that we designed a window that really captured it. It feels like a nest in here, and that's why I chose this bathtub. It looks like a little egg. It is so romantic in here and so lovely. And how lucky was I to find this light fixture that plays so well, both with the angles in the ceiling and with the windows. It's a really wonderful, complete bathroom. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this wonderful Bohemian-Chic house in Venice.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?